And we're back, guys. So in this video, guys, I'm gonna show you how we are going to install this dynamic LED turn signal lights. I got them from AliExpress for like 20 bucks. I had to wait a couple weeks for it, of course, because it's that cheap. I believe you guys can get those from eBay as well, maybe in US, I don't know. But like I said, I got them from AliExpress. So you guys can see I have the left and the right, or the right and the left. Have to figure that out. It comes with these little popping tools and this Allen wrench. And I don't know if you guys seen one of my old videos where, well, for some reason, I don't know what's the reason, but I have this problem here where when I turn the car on, let me see. Yep, there we go. That's my problem right there. I am getting check right mirror turn signal. Let's see. When we turn the hazards on, we have this one working, this one working, this guy's working, but this guy's not working. Yeah, I don't know. Sometimes it's working, sometimes it doesn't. I don't know what's the problem, but we're gonna fix that real quick. Yes, sir. You know it, real quick. So I'm gonna show you how we're gonna pop these mirror caps real quick. Let's do it. Okay, guys. So to remove the cap, we need to push the mirror in. There we go. Make sure it's clear from the bottom. And now basically we need to get this entire cap up and over. So we're gonna work our way around with this little prying tool. Just go around slowly, and then in the back. There you go. And it comes straight up. Boom. You guys can see it is all out and it's in one piece. Now the next step is to pop the second mirror. Okay, so again, you guys can see, push down, boom. Now you guys have the bottom part cleaned up. I don't know why I've seen other people removing this the entire mirror out. I'm not messing with that at all. You guys don't want to crack it, because I've seen people trying to pull it out and then the mirror cracks in the middle, and then you guys need to buy a brand new one. So like I said, work your way from the bottom, from the front, just like that, slowly. You guys gonna see it's getting up a little bit. Now in the back, you guys can hear all the clips releasing a little bit. Now we're gonna grab the front and pull up and back. Boom. You guys can see, comes out in one piece, and the mirror, it's still attached to the actual mirror. So now step number 3. For step number 3, you guys gonna need the T10, or you guys can use the Allen wrench that came with the kit. I'm gonna use my own T10 from Harbor Freight. We have 2 screws, one on the bottom and one on the top. There you go. So one on the bottom and then one on the top, right in there, this guy. So we need to remove those 2 screws. Now this clip right here, you guys need to push it, and then the clip on the top as well, and then the clip right there to get unscrewed. So we're gonna pop it out. Yeah, this guy right here in the middle. I don't know, I guess you got glue or something, but yeah. And boom, comes straight out. Maybe. all the way to the end, and then this guy should come out first. There we go. So we have the light out. There's a double sticky tape right here on this guy, so be careful, don't break it. Now we need to grab our own light. Is it this guy? Nope. Is it this guy? Yes. Okay, so now you guys need to follow the same thing with the wires. Seems like this guy connects right there. Boom, boom. This one looks a little bit different, but we'll see. Hopefully everything should work the right way. This is supposed to be a bolt-in. Clip it, okay? Now this guy, like I showed you guys, it should just clip in place. So first we get this side in, then we slide this corner into place. There we go. And now this should just be clipply clip. So we got the clips, bottom clip, have a clip right here and a clip right there. And then the power, same thing. Power should just clip into place. So you guys can see how the wires are ran. Well, the wires on the top, I'm gonna push them all the way so they're not on the way of anything. So just like that, boom. So you guys can see this is how we're gonna get them connected. And then the bottom is clipped, top is clipped, everything is all clipped. And then let me show you the outside look. Oh, I still need to screw this one. What do you guys think? Ooh-wee. Beautiful, beautiful. Now we need to put the two screws into place. One is done. Let's do the second one. Okay, this is how it's supposed to clip for this guy, for the wires. And boom, there you go guys. So now it should be just clip on. Let's see if that's gonna be the case. Okay guys, so now same deal, we're gonna get it from the front, and then this guy right there, the base is gonna clip into the connection in the back, which is right there. Yeah, see that? This blue. Yep, just gonna sit there and it's gonna plug in. So I'm gonna slide it into place. I'm gonna watch the back. Yep, got in, and now we just wiggle wiggle. And listen for all the clips. Seams, mirror one, done. Now to the next one. Okay guys, this is mirror number 2. So this is the connection, the connector that I was telling you about. So when you guys put it in, you're gonna watch the connector, which is this guy right there, how it's sliding on the top of this connector right there. Okay, now let's check it out. So we have this guy right here. Look at how clean it is. And then this guy right there. Now the moment has come. Any notification on the dashboard? Nope. Turn the hazard. Any notifications? Nope. And let's see, what do we have here? Oh yeah, buddy. Just look at it. What do you guys think? Oh yeah. Back to the Future 2. Oh yeah, buddy. It's perfect. This is perfect. Okay guys, well, there you guys have it. And project like this guys, I'm telling you, you guys can do it. You guys can definitely do it. Especially like this guy and that guy. It's beautiful. It's good, good, good. I like it. Okay, so if you guys like this video, don't forget to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. For future videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you guys like videos like this, I'm trying to post videos every single week, and I'm trying to get it every single week. So if I broke my promise, make sure you put down in the comments that I'm slacking, so I can post a video every single week. And the most important thing is, don't forget, if I can do it, you guys can do it. I'll see you on the next one.